a hexadecimal number into a decimal number. Now let's look at a hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number, the maximum number hexadecimal can have is 15. If you look at any number system, the maximum number it can have is less than the base number. For example, if I am taking binary, the base is 2, the maximum number it can have is 1. If I take decimal, the base is 10 and the maximum number it can have is 9. If you take octal, the base is 8 and the maximum number it can have is 7. Like that, if you take hexadecimal, the base is 16, the maximum number is 15. Now let's see how does the number represent. In hexadecimal, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, and then 4 is equal to 4, and then 5 is equal to 5, and then 6 is equal to 6, and then 7 is equal to 7, 8 is equal to 8, 9 is equal to 9. But in any number system, we cannot have 2 digits. Like when it comes to 10, we cannot have that number because we cannot have 2 digits in any number system. So what we do is we assign a for that. So in hexadecimal, a means 10, and then 11 is b, and then 12 is c, and then 13 is d, and then 14 is e, and then 15 is f, and f is the highest number in hexadecimal. Now let's look at some conversions. Let's go ahead and look at a conversion. Let's say we have a problem given like that: 23e16, 23e base 16, and I want to convert this one into a decimal number. And to do that, what we have to do is we have to first look at the weight of the number, and in any number system, the first number contains the weight of power 0, whatever the base it is. Here we have base 16, so the weight of this first number is going to be 16 power 0, and the weight of the second number is 16 power 1, and the weight of the third number is 16 power 2. Now to convert this one into decimal, what we do is we multiply the weight by the number it contains. So 2 contains 16 power 2, so we multiply 2 times 16 square plus 3 times 16 power 1, and then e times, instead of e represents 14 in hexadecimal. So instead of writing e, I'm going to write 14 here. 14 times 16 power 0. Okay, 16 square is 256, so I'm going to multiply this one by 256, and then plus 3 times 16 power 1 is 16, and then 14 times 1. Okay, 2 times 256 is 512, and then 3 times 16 is 48, and then 14, 48, and if you add them together, you're going to get 574, and that is base 10. That's our final answer, 574. Now let's look at another example. I'm going to go ahead and erase this one. Let's say we have a question like this. The question is given like f7d, and the base is 16, and I want to convert this one into base 10. So again, assign the weight. So weight of the first number is always 16 power 0, weight of the second number is 16 power 1, and the weight of the third number is 16 power 2. Then we multiply the weight and the number. So f is the last number, that is 15. 15 times 16 square, and then 7 times 16 power 1 plus d times 16 power, d is 40, d is actually 13 in the hexadecimal system. If you multiply that one with 16 power 0, you're going to get the final answer. So here 15 times 16 square is 256, so 15 times 256, and then 16 power 1 is 16, so 7 times 16, and then 16 power 0 is 1, so this is going to be 13 times 1, and if you multiply and calculate this one, you're going to get 3965 base 10, and that's our final answer for this one. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.